Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Beautiful colors. Orange color, black color, yellow color, navy blue color, dark pink color, red color, light pink color. Today we will trace ABCD and 1, 2, 3 and we will fill colors in these shapes. So let's get started. Blue color. A for X. A for X. Yellow color. B for balloon. B for balloon. Light pink color. C for curtain. Curtain. Orange color. D for door. D for door. Red color. E for envelope. E for envelope.
Stands alone.
Blue color. F for fox. F for fox. Yellow color. G for glass. G for glass. Light pink color. H for hat. H for hat. Orange color. I for iron. I for iron. Red color. J for jeep. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Let's paint the shapes. Triangle, square, pentagon, circle.
Do you know the muffin
Blue color triangle. Red color square. Blue color pentagon. Again, red colored circle. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.